We have parts book, and we're going to demonstrate the robot turning on the ultrasonics, and I'm going to take a quick view of the front so you can see it. Hang on a second, Tom. Lights are all on. You can hear the blower going, and I can feel the heat inside the tank. And I'll show you the base. And a quick view of inside. That was tank 4, tank 3, tank 2, tank 1, and these are just setting in there for the baskets to sit on. Okay, let's take this out of here. Oh, do I need this over here? Yeah, it needs to, okay. And we just manually push the robot into position, and you can hear the ultrasonics coming on. Continuation of the cycle of the Rigibot. It's flashing because it's moving slower than the filming. See the robot going down, and when it leaves it, the ultrasonics come on. This machine does have a overflow tank for waterfall. You can open these back up here. This is moving the basket from the tank 2 to tank 3. Moving over and lifting up the basket. It's going to go through, it looks like an oscillation mode here. And we don't know how long these processes are taking. We don't know the program. And as you see, it's lifting it out of the tank system now. And it should move it over to the third position. It's probably waiting for the drip off. Here it moves into the third tank. Leaving it, and you can hear the ultrasonics coming on. This is the back side of the Crest OC4. Okay, hold on one second. Just to give you an idea of what it looks like from behind. Track is in excellent condition. Electronics, not sure why it's buzzing, it just could be a bad breaker, but it's all very super clean. As you can see, the recirc pump is running here. We're not going to leave it on too long, but it's down here, and I can hear it. But we're not going to leave it on. We don't want to leave it on dry. We don't know how the machine is exactly set for the basket, so we removed it so we don't cause it to crash. But once it recognizes it's there from the sensor on the table, as you can see, the sensor's lit up. Okay. This will conclude the operation demonstration of the OC4 Crest ultrasonic cleaning system.